Hey guys, welcome back to the Planet V. During our summer trip in the US, we made a stop in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. It wasn't planned as a major highlight, but it quietly became one. It's layered with history, character, and a setting that feels both tucked away and open to discovery. We didn't stay long, but long enough to know it was worth it. Here's why we stopped and why you might want to as well. Perched above the town like a quiet sentinel, St. Mark's Church isn't just a landmark, it's a treasure chest of detail and devotion. We were lucky to get a private tour from Mary, one of the kind-hearted volunteers who brought the church to life with her stories. Inside, we saw breathtaking stained glass windows crafted by Tiffany Studios. Yes, that Tiffany, and paintings that looked more like they belonged in a museum than a small-town church. The ceiling, the altarpiece, even the floor spoke of care and craftsmanship. You don't expect to find something this refined in such a modest setting, but that's what makes it unforgettable. It's a quiet place with a bold soul, and thanks to Mary, we didn't just see it, we understood it. Jim Thorpe wouldn't be what it is without Asa Packer. It was closed during our visit though. The house stands still in time, almost unchanged for over 100 years. It's a must visit if you want to understand how railroads, wealth, and vision shaped not just this town, but the region. Close by, you'll see the Asa Packer Mansion, which was used as the exterior inspiration for Disneyland's Haunted Mansion ride and appeared in an episode of Fetch with Ruffman titled Ruffman Manor is Haunted. Jim Thorpe's roots are deep and gritty. Coal built this town, powered the region, and shaped the lives of thousands. Visiting the old mining sites, you start to grasp how hard life was below ground. It's dark, damp, and humbling. You hear stories of child labor, tight quarters, and the resilience of miners who gave everything. This part of town doesn't just teach history, it makes you feel it in your bones. It's real and it stays with you. Walking through Jim Thorpe's streets is like flipping through a picture book of Victorian dreams. The houses, painted in soft yellows, mint greens, blues, and blush pinks, feel whimsical yet grounded. Each one has its own personality, complete with porches, details, and stories. They're not just pretty, they tell the story of a town that balanced hard work with moments of beauty. It's part of what makes the town feel alive, not like a museum, but like a neighborhood that still has heart. This is where your scenic ride begins, or where you pause just to feel the pulse of the past. The old train station is more than beautiful. It's a link to the time when this town was bustling with coal trains and dreams of progress. Today, it's your gateway to lush mountain views and a slow, scenic rail journey that reminds you travel doesn't always need to be fast. Just sit back, listen to the whistle, and let the landscape do the talking. Jim Thorpe may not scream for attention, but that's exactly its charm. It's the kind of place that reveals itself slowly through its stories, its people, and the way history and nature quietly coexist. So if you're charting your next road trip through Pennsylvania, make space for Jim Thorpe. Take the detour. You might just find it's the part of the journey you remember most.